Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ishak Prakoso. Today I will present the weekly sales performed for Berber Daily November 2025. This presentation will focus on the sales weekly table which show weekly targets, forecast, realization, balance, identified issues, and action plan for each product. The achievement, summary, and performance evolution will be discussed after reviewing this weekly sales table. First week, Berber Daily Face Wash 100 ml. For Berber Daily Face Wash 100 ml, the monthly quantity is 1,200 pieces. The customer is PT Grooming Nusantara. The purchase order for November 2025 is the 300 unit. The forecast is 280 unit, while the actual realization is 260 unit, resulting in a balance of minus 40 unit. The issue identified is delay in sending invoice document. The action plan is daily invoice follow me to commit reminder via email handled by the finance admin. 2. Berber Daily Moisturizer 50 ml. For Berber Daily Moisturizer 50 ml, the monthly quantity is 600 pieces. The customer is CV Urban Min Care. The purchase order for November 2025 is 200 unit. The forecast is 190 unit, with an actual realization of 175 unit, resulting in balance of minus 25 unit. The issue is delay in sending invoice document. The action plan is pre-checking invoice data before sending to sale, with responsibility extended to sales admin. Second week, Berber Daily Face Wash 1050 ml. For Berber Daily Face Wash 1050 ml, the monthly quantity is 1000 pieces. The customer is PT Alpa Reatindo. The purchase order is 250 unit. The forecast is 260 unit, and the realization is 230 units, resulting a balance of minus 30 unit. The issue remains delay in sending invoice document. The action plan is integrating invoice tracking with the sales order system managed by finance and sale operation. Berber Daily Moisturizer 75 ml. The monthly quantity is 700 pieces. The customer is PT Modern Lifestyle. The purchase order is 180 units. The forecast is 170 units, while the realization is 155 units, resulting in a balance minus 25 units. The issue identified is delay in sending invoice document. The action plan is executing a dedicated PIC for invoice issue handled by the finance team. 30 week, Berber Daily Face Wash Charcoal. For Berber Daily Face Charcoal, the monthly quantity is 900 pieces. The customer is CV Barbershop Network. The purchase order is 220 unit. The forecast is 210 units, with a realization of 195 unit, resulting in a balance of minus 15 unit. The issue is delay in sending invoice document. The action plan is standardizing invoice format and approval workflow led by the finance lead. Berber Daily Moisturizer Gel. For Daily Moisturizer Gel, the monthly quantity is 6 pieces. The customer is PT Pria Indonesia. The purchase order is 150 unit. The forecast is 145 unit, and the realization 130 unit, resulting in a balance of 20 unit. The issue remains delay in sending invoice document. The action plan is weekly invoice audit and checklist validation managed by the sales admin. 40 week, Berber Daily Face Wash Sensitive. For Berber Daily Face Sensitive, the monthly quantity is 800 pieces. The customer is PT Care Personal Indonesia. The purchase order is 200 units. The forecast in 195 units, while realization is 180 units, resulting in a balance of minus 20 units. The issue identify in delay in sending invoice document. The action plan is real-time invoice status reporting to the sales team handled by finance operation. Based on the sales performance from week 1 to week 3, the main improvement focus for week 4 to 6 in process efficient, especially in invoice handling and cross-team coordination by strengthening control, assigning clear responsibility, and improving monitoring. We expect higher realization and better target achievement in the following weeks. Achievement summary explain Barber Daily. For Barber Daily face wash 100 ml, the target was 300 unit. The achieved sales were 260 units, resulting in an achievement rate of 87% with a status of not achieved. This happened because the invoice was sent late, which caused delay in customer payment and order realization. The action plan is daily invoice follow-up supported by an automated reminder system, and the person is charged is the finance admin. For Barber Daily Moisturizer 50 ml, the target was 200 units. The achieved sales were 170 units with an achievement rate of 88%. And the status is not achieved. The target was not reached because the PO and invoice that required revision, resulting in delay invoice submission. The action plan is pre-checking invoice data before sending to customer, handled by sales admin. For Barber Daily face wash 150 ml, the target was 250 units. The achieved sale were 230 units, achieving 92%, and the status is as if. We will maintain invoice tracking and close coordination between sales and finance with responsibility assigned to sales operation. For Barber Daily Moisturizer 75 ml, the target was 180 units. The achieved sale were 150 units, resulting in a achievement rate of 86% with a status is not achieved. This was caused by the internal invoice approval process exceeding the defined SLA timeline. The corrective action is exceeding dedicated PIC for invoice approval managed by the finance team. For Barber Daily face wash charcoal, the target was 220 units. The achieved sales were 195 units, reaching 89%, and the status is not achieved. The reason was dependent on manual approval, which caused invoice to be issued later and skewed the action and plan in standardizing and streaming the invoice approval workflow led by the finance lead. For Barber Daily Moisturizer Gel, the target was 150 units. The achieved sales were 130 units, with an achievement rate of 87%, and the status is not achieved. This is accurate because the lack of an invoice checklist led to document return from customer. The action plan is weekly invoice audit and checklist validation, handled by the sales admin. For Barber Daily face wash sensitive, the target was 200 units. The achieved sales were 180 units, reaching 90%, and the status is achieved. We will maintain face invoice issued within one day after deliver, managed by finance operation. For Barber Daily Moisturizer Prepare, the target was 120 units. The achieved sales were 105 units, resulting in an achievement rate 88%, with a status is not achieved. The issue was that invoice status was not monitored in real time, which caused delay follow-up. The improvement action in planning a real-time invoice status reporting system with responsibility assigned to the finance admin. In conclusion, based on the ASIF summary from week 1 to week 3, future action will focus on progress improvement rather than sales pressure by strengthening invoice control, improving data acquisition, and optimizing internal workflow. Sales improve performance is expected to improve in the following weeks.